Hey there, folks. Have you ever found yourself staring at your screen, frustrated because you've forgotten your Simplifi password? You're not alone. It's a common issue, especially with all the accounts we juggle these days. But don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to reset your Simplifi password and get you back in action. Simplifi is that awesome app for managing your finances, budgets, and more, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're on a device with internet access and that you can check your email, since that's where the reset link will go. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Simplifi website, or if you're using the app, launch it on your phone or computer. Once you're there, look for the login page. You'll see a Sign In button. Click that, and then find the Forgot Password, or Reset Password link, usually right below the password field. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your registered email address. Type it in carefully and hit Submit. Now, check your email inbox. Don't forget to look in the spam or junk folder just in case. You should receive an email from Simplifi with a password reset link. Open that email and click the link. It will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. When you're on the reset page, choose a strong, unique password. Think something with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. Type it in twice to confirm, then hit the reset button. Voila! Your password is now updated. Finally, go back to the login page, enter your email and new password, and sign in. If everything goes smoothly, you'll be right back into your Simplifi dashboard. Pro tip: consider enabling two-factor authentication while you're in there to add an extra layer of security. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.